that.
Come on, sweetheart. That's okay. That's okay.
You got to lose your job. Yeah, you was my people that made you get a job. Don't you ever forget that when an old person standing out here in the rain. You quit acting like them Caucasian act, and when he let you sit in the front of the bus. Quit acting like that. No, you quit. I can educate you niggas everywhere I go. Everywhere I go. And when I see somebody that's been indoctrinated with this, I tell you, you let an old woman stand out in the rain like that and act like that, man, what about what? Let her call the cops. I don't care nothing about that. I care nothing wrong. Tell her the truth. You got to be crazy. I can't even stand it. People got lynched behind getting you a job, and then you get your job, and you act like the white folks. Yeah, no, this job don't mean nothing. Okay, yeah, but act like it did. Honor your ancestors. And they will always got to be a black nappy-haired woman. What's your name? I'll tell you what, what's your name? You think I'm lying?
Thank you. I'm getting off here. I'm getting off here. I'm getting off here.
How many black women get a job?